Welcome to the American Leather Factory, where technology and artistry meet to create luxury made-to-order furniture that's ready and on its way to your customer in less than 20 days. No other luxury furniture company delivers so many choices in so little time.
We allow a consumer to go into a store, pick from a range of models, different leathers, fabrics, different configurations, whether they want a sectional, left arm, a right arm, an armless piece. Do they want the round corner for the sectional or a square corner, a recliner? And then they can customize as well a lot of options. We're kind of alone in that capability, that there aren't a lot of manufacturers in the industry that are able to provide to a consumer the chance to customize the product really any way they want and still have it in their home in 30 days.
Technology allows us to manage the complexity of so many options. Our spacious and clean 250,000 square foot facility makes thousands of pieces of furniture each month, yet every piece is made to order, one at a time. Computer technology is essential to the way we make our furniture. Each piece starts as a drawing made by our award-winning design team. The drawing is rendered and given to our engineering department, where it is perfected. From there, the model is made into reality and delivered into our state-of-the-art manufacturing process. Our frame parts are cut on a computerized CNC router fitted with specialized tools that allow us to cut all kinds of unusual sizes and shapes.
So all the parts are cut by computerized cutters, 4 thousandths of an inch accuracy, so very precise parts. And it really enforces a discipline on the whole process that you can't afford to have things not made right. And if there's some issue with the quality of what I'm doing as a cutter or a sewer, I'll get feedback almost immediately within a matter of hours. And so from a quality control standpoint, it's much more efficient.
Our technology helps us deliver your customers' demand for instant gratification. Your customers get what they want, how they want it, fast. We're ready to ship in just 20 days.
We make things very visual, where wooden parts, they only fit a certain way. The part can't be turned or flipped the wrong way. It only fits a certain way. To have more accuracy, certainly more quality.
Technology enhances the handcrafting of each piece. We use advanced unidirectional webbing. This provides long-lasting, comfortable seating, guaranteed for life. Frames are padded, leaving no wood exposed to the touch. Technology also allows us to be leather specialists. American Leather has one of the largest inventories of leathers in North America. Most of our leathers are the highest quality, selected from the top 10% in the world.
It is very challenging to work with these natural leathers that have inherent inconsistencies, inherent shading variation, and yet make a finished product that is beautiful and where those variations are complementary to the product.
Our leather nesting is one of the most highly skilled areas of the factory. Our technicians map out the sewing patterns on the hides. The system guides our technicians to match the appropriate part of the hide with the appropriate part of the pattern. The system guides our technicians to place the pattern pieces on the hide. Technicians work hard to make the most of each hide. They also look to place the pattern pieces so the most visible parts of the furniture have consistent color and minimal natural leather markings. The work of the nesting system is then transferred to our computerized cutting machines. This amazing, unique technology is one reason our furniture is so beautiful. This helps us create a consistent, high-quality piece of furniture every time, even though leather often has natural variations. We treat fabric cutting with the same care as leather. Computers help us see and adjust pattern variations and fabric distortion so that they never appear on your furniture. If there's a stripe that's not straight, we'll fix it.
If it's bent, we tell the computer how bent it is. The computer then accommodates that, accounts for it, so that the net result is that the line is straight. And if a stripe is supposed to match another stripe, that they actually do match.
American Leather is one of the few domestic manufacturers that uses European methods of upholstery wherever appropriate. This approach allows the company to offer products with very clean, tailored lines.
The European method is more like making a jacket. You sew everything as one big cover. The engineering of the parts is more critical. If we don't cut it right, don't sew it right, we can have the best master upholsterer in the world. That jacket's not going to fit. We use a European upholstery methodology because it really works from an engineered standpoint, and it helps us get those very clean, tailored lines. Really try to create an atmosphere in a physical facility that one was state-of-the-art, that's clean, pleasant, and to me it's personally just very exciting and kind of cool to be able to have a manufacturing environment that is a very, very pleasing place to work. One of the things that's critical about the whole process and that we're really big on is really just cleanliness, or the buzzword today is visual factory management.
American Leather is one of the most organized and clean factories you will ever visit. Floors are continually swept. Break rooms and bathrooms are cleaned multiple times each day.
If I'm asking them to make perfectly straight seams and yet the environment they work in is not clean or not organized, I don't think it's reasonable to expect anything different from them in terms of their work product.
Workers can consult information kiosks, visual manuals for help and information when needed. Technology, precision, efficiency. These, combined with American Leather's beautiful styling and wide variety of configurations, make our furniture some of the best in the world. Most importantly, we deliver the highest quality made-to-order furniture available today. You can feel confident selling American Leather. American Leather has a workforce with roots around the world.
We have a total of, I think, 20 or 22 nationalities that work here at American Leather. We hang a flag in our break area that represents every country where somebody was born that works at American Leather, and I really love that. I love the fact that we buy leather from Europe and South America. That's been very interesting for me personally, but I also think from a cultural standpoint, it's just a wonderful aspect to our company.
American Leather. There's no other company that comes close to delivering our styles, our configurations, our quality, or our speed. Thank you for being part of the American Leather family.